Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng UST Golden Spikers ang UA Red Warriors 25-17, 25-18, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si John Holian Macam sa likod na kanang 14 points, 12 attacks, 2 blocks at 6 excellent receptions. Nagtala si De La Noche ng 12 points, 11 attacks, Colinares 12 points, 3 blocks, 1 ace. Macam 14 points, 12 attacks, 2 blocks, 6 excellent receptions. Alabar 6 digs, De Vega 10 points, 2 digs, 5 excellent receptions. Yambao 16 excellent sets, Valera 8 points. Nag-ambag naman si Sally ng 4 points, Gupiteo 1 point. Para naman sa natalong UE Red Warriors, Piojo 13 points, 11 attacks, 2 blocks. Aligayon 4 points, 4 attacks, 4 excellent receptions. Bicar 2 points, 2 blocks, 3 digs, 8 excellent sets. Defeo 3 points, 1 ace. Season 3 points, 1 ace. Villanueva 2 digs. Kamaymayan 1 point. Nag-ambag naman ng 1 point si Roca. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis din ng DLSU Green Spikers ang Adamson Soaring Falcons 25-19, 25-23, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Noel Campton sa likod na kanang 24 points, 22 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace, 7 digs at 8 excellent receptions. Nagtala naman si Mendoza ng 13 points, 13 attacks, 7 digs, 4 excellent receptions. Fortuna 10 points, 10 attacks, 1 dig. Campton 24 points, 22 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace, 7 digs, 8 excellent receptions. Rodriguez 2 points, 1 ace, 1 block. Adahar 2 points, 2 blocks, 1 dig, 16 excellent sets. Ventura 1 point, 1 block. De Castro 9 digs, 1 excellent sets, 3 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman si Del Pilar ng 5 points. Layog 3 points. Pukita 2 excellent sets. Para naman sa natalong Adamson Soaring Falcons, nagdala si Aguilar ng 7 points, 7 attacks, 3 digs at 1 excellent receptions. Paulino 7 points, 6 attacks, 1 block. Tahilo din 7 points, 5 attacks, 2 blocks, 2 excellent receptions. Cogimbal 8 points, 4 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace at 1 dig. Domingo 3 points, 2 attacks, 1 ace, 2 digs, 9 excellent sets. Gutierrez 2 points, 2 attacks, 5 excellent receptions. Obida 1 point. Nag-ambag naman si Balon ng 1 point at 1 block. John Gay 1 dig, 1 excellent receptions. Canlas 10 digs, 5 excellent receptions. Bermudez 1 dig, 6 excellent sets. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, panalo ang UST Golden Tigresses kontra sa UE Lady Warriors 28-26, 22-25, 25-23, 25-15. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Angeline Puyo sa likod na kanang 21 points, 14 attacks, 4 blocks, 3 aces at 6 digs. Nagtala si Jurado ng 22 points, 18 attacks, 2 blocks, 2 aces at 8 digs. Altea 10 points, 6 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace, 2 digs. Poyos 21 points, 14 attacks, 4 blocks, 3 aces, 6 digs, 2 excellent receptions. Abo 8 points, 6 attacks, 2 blocks. Onekwe 6 points, 5 attacks, 1 block. Plaza 4 points, 3 attacks at 1 block. Cordora 4 points, 3 attacks, 1 block, 2 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Carvalho ng 2 points, 1 attack, 1 block, 1 dig, 19 excellent sets. Pepeto 16 digs, 14 excellent receptions. Wahi 1 excellent set. Hilongo 1 excellent receptions. Ashley Knapp 1 point. Para naman sa natalong UE Lady Warriors, si Pada 20 points, 16 attacks, 4 aces, 8 digs, 6 excellent receptions. Bangayan 12 points, 10 attacks, 2 aces, 6 digs, 3 excellent receptions. Zamudio 11 points, 8 attacks, 3 aces, 8 digs, 6 excellent receptions. Nogales 7 points, 5 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace at 1 dig. Famulagan 5 points, 4 attacks at 1 block. Icalya 5 points, 1 attack, 2 blocks, 2 aces, 6 digs, 12 excellent sets. Reyes 10 digs, 7 excellent receptions. Winalis naman ng DLSU Lady Spikers ang Adamson Lady Falcons 25-21, 26-24, 25-20. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Angel Canino sa likod na kanang 15 points, 14 attacks, 1 block, 6 digs, 2 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Malaloan ng 16 points, 13 attacks, 1 block, 2 aces, 1 dig, 4 excellent receptions. Lapot 10 points, 7 attacks, 3 aces, 3 digs. Canino 15 points, 14 attacks, 1 block, 6 digs, 2 excellent receptions. Provido 6 points, 3 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 dig. Reyes 2 points, 2 attacks, 3 digs, 15 excellent receptions. Del Castillo 5 points, 1 attack, 2 blocks, 2 aces. Rodriguez 5 digs, 2 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman si De Leon ng 6 digs, 7 excellent receptions. Tolentino 1 excellent sets. Para naman sa natalong Adamson Lady Falcons, Nitora 16 points, 15 attacks, 1 ace, 4 digs, 3 excellent receptions. Morde 12 points, 12 attacks, 8 digs, 4 excellent receptions. Noiki 5 points, 5 digs. Sagaysay 2 points, 1 attack, 1 ace, 4 digs, 8 excellent sets. Bascon 1 point. Manuel 6 digs, 5 excellent receptions. Villegas 1.1 ace, 2 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Doty ng 1 dig. Sapensa 2 digs, 3 excellent sets. Hamili 1 dig. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng men's division as of February 22, 2025. Enyo Bulldogs 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. FEU Tamaraws 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Del Isio Green Spikers 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 1 loss 3 points. UST Golden Spikers 1 win 1 loss 3 points. UP Fighting Marons 1 win 1 loss 2 points. UE Red Warriors 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Adamson Soaring Falcons 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Heto naman ang team standings ng Women's Division as of February 22, 2025. NU Lady Bulldogs 2 win 0 loss 6 points. UP Fighting Marons 2 win 0 loss 5 points. Del Isio Lady Spikers 1 win 1 loss 3 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 1 win 1 loss 3 points. UST Golden Tigresses 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win 1 loss 2 points. UE Lady Warriors 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Ateneo Blue Eagles 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong February 23, 2025 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Para sa men's division, maglalaban ang UP Fighting Marons at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 10 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Enyo Bulldogs at FEU Tamaraws alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa women's division, magtutos ang UP Fighting Marons at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 2 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Enyo Lady Bulldogs at FEU Lady Tamaraws alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.